Hey beautifuls, it's your girl Vicky V. I hope you guys are staying safe during this crazy time, and you know what time it is? It's time for another Boxy Charm unboxing video. So I'm gonna open it up with you guys so we can both see what the heck is inside here. I am super excited to see what is next because I'm ready. I'm ready for new products. I'm ready to try new things. So let me just open this up. Girl, I'm excited. So the great reveal. But there's a lot of things. Okay. Let me see. The first thing in the box is this cute card here. And it has all of the products like it always does on the back with the price of everything. So let's see what we have in here. First things first is, ooh, oh my god. Okay, so we got the Glow Recipe, the Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. I'm super stoked. I've been wanting to try the Glow Recipe products for a long time, but I just haven't gotten around to it. So it's a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging the pores. It is a non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic, and making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blended with banana, chia seed, ooh, okay, magnesium, turmeric, okay, I like that, and chia. It is your recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin, and this guy retails for $39. I've been waiting to try Glow Recipe out. I've only heard amazing things, so I can't wait. Girl, let me open this right away because I need this right now. I'm like going at it. I need to try this on my skin ASAP. ASAP, bro. I can't. I'm trying. It's not working. Okay, let me just. We're opening up the Glow Recipe. Oh my. Look at this bottle. It's so cute. I'm gonna try this guy on the back of my hand here. The product is super lightweight. It absorbs right into the skin. It sucks everything up and it doesn't leave a sticky residue. I literally left it on my hand for like 5 seconds and it's gone. I think my hands are just super dry and they need the hydration. I'm so excited to use this on my skin. It smells like a literal smoothie that you can just put your straw in and like just drink up for breakfast. Alrighty, so the next thing is this guy. They help to hydrate, depuff. Avocado moisturizes and targets dry skin, while the green tea energizes and depuffs your under eyes. Say goodbye to stress, treat and relax your eyes. You deserve it. And these guys retail for $18. So, oh, that's super cute. I'm excited to try these because girl, I have been getting a lot of like dark circles and under eye bags from just like staying up late. My sleep schedule has been effed ever since COVID. You guys feel me on this one? The next product in the box is the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. Ooh, I have never heard of this brand before, Maven Beauty, but rose water is always nice and hydrating on the skin. Let me read about it for you guys. Set your intentions and your makeup with this aura lifting, antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. And this guy costs $22. That's so cool, and it's actually a new launch. So this is one of their new products, which is exciting. Oh my god. Okay, let's try this out. I love setting sprays right now. I have been mainly using like the MAC Fix Plus setting spray all over my face. I just feel like it's really hydrating. It just gives my skin like a really natural look. So that's why I like to use that one. I have tried other setting sprays in the past before too, but let's see this guy. This is how it looks like. It's like a tangerine orange bottle, and it is infused with rose water. So we're just gonna shake it up before we use it, close our eyes, and spray 8 to 10 inches away from the face. So let's try this right now because I could use a bit of hydration and rose water, some goodness. Ready? I like the smell of rose water. I feel like I'm just getting the sniff of like banana, but that's just because of the Glow Recipe. I was gonna say it smells like banana, but we literally put banana on like 5 seconds ago, so. I like the feeling of this mist. I like how the spray is very like fine and it gets everywhere, whereas like the MAC one, let me show you the MAC one. This is the MAC Fix Plus setting spray. I've been using this one every day. The mist is like really fine as well, but I just feel like their pump allows for like a more finer mist, in my opinion. I like the spray on this pump better than the MAC Fix Plus pump, just because this guy, it's a little more finer. And wow, I look very dewy, and I don't know if it's just because I use a lot of the spray. Yeah, I think it's because I used a lot of both of these guys, but I really enjoy the smell of the rose water in this one, and I enjoy the mist pump. And I really do like that feeling. And I like the glow. I know I used both of them on my skin, but this side over here was mainly the Maven. Some people don't like the oily, you know, dewy skin look, but I love the glass skin look, and that is giving me like glass skin vibes, so highly recommend that product there. The next product is the lip oil, and I think it's a short form for Kim, Ariana, and Briella. Super cute, cruelty free as well, which is really nice. And this guy, let me read a little bit about it for you. So it says, say goodbye to dry and thirsty, and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes from 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable juicy lips all day long. Okay, this guy retails for $20 regularly, and I've never tried KAB either before. I've never tried any of these products. I love trying out new products. So this lip oil. Ooh, look at this. Oh my gosh, it looks like a juicy, it literally does look juicy. Okay, this one's called Honeydew. Let me just open it up for you. Does that not look juicy to you? Like, this looks juicy to me, yo. The applicator is huge. It does have a slight scent that I don't know what it is, but like I'm not really super fond of the scent, but it's not like overpowering. It's not like super powerful that you can't stand it. So I'm gonna wipe this off and try. I wiped off my gloss from prior, and we're gonna go in and try this guy out. I'm not fond of the feel of this applicator. The applicator kind of feels a little bit rough on the lips, but the formula, it isn't sticky at all, but it isn't super oily either, where it just feels like you put oil on your lips. It is a very comfortable gloss, I have to say. If you want something to make your lips feel and look a little juicier, girl, KAB lip oil. Got my lips looking juicy and plump, girl. Ooh. And this guy is retailed for $20, so I'm in love. I really like that formula. It feels super comfortable. The way they described it in the paper here is exactly how it feels. Last but not least is a makeup product. Ooh. And this is from Lime Crime. I've swatched the Lime Crime palettes a long time ago in stores when Corona wasn't a thing, but I never had bought one for myself, so this is nice. This will be my first Lime Crime palette, and ooh, it's so pretty. Can you just take a look at those colors? Look at how gorgeous that is. I love those purples and pinks. So let's go in with a few colors and swatch. Swatch them for you. Okay, I'm really liking this color here. I don't know, it's just really standing out to me in this camera, so I'm gonna go for it. So far it doesn't feel chalky. It doesn't feel super soft either. Let's just apply that there. Okay, that's really pretty. Oh, it's really subtle. It does have a little color payoff and a tad bit of shimmer. I feel like this would be really nice if you just want something like really simple all over the lid, to just like give you a little bit of shine, or if you want to use it as a topper to like top off another eyeshadow that's more pigmented. This is a really nice one to use as a topper. It's not like super like pigmented, but it is super pretty. It does have a lot of like, you can't really see it in the camera, but it has like purple and blue reflex in this pink champagne shade. Let's go in with this bright purple because I feel like swatching in purple. This one feels a little bit more soft, but it blends out nicely, and it is really nicely pigmented. Okay, let me just swatch a few more of the shadows for you. I swatched the colors on my hands here. All the matte shades here are pretty pigmented and they don't feel chalky at all. They glide on super smoothly, super nicely. That is the Venus palette. The Venus palette is also cruelty-free too and vegan. These are all the products for this month's Boxy Charm. I'm super excited to try out the skincare because I honestly have been needing skincare. Thank you, Boxy Charm. Bless me with some amazing skincare products. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, stay safe and have a great day. Bye.